We've talked a lot about giving feedback to members of the team. Now, let's talk about getting feedback from the team to boost your own skills. This is called upward feedback, where team members share their perspectives on your leadership. In my experience, this is one of the most important tools for growth. Here are some ways to make your team feel comfortable sharing. Make it routine. Ask for feedback regularly, like monthly or after big projects. This helps it feel normal and expected. Ask open-ended questions to get detailed insights. Try things like, how can I better support you on the next project? And what could improve my communication with the team? As you get feedback, dig deeper with follow-up questions. Thoughtful, open-ended questions will give you more insight and help you collaborate on a solution. Keep in mind that even tough feedback helps you grow. Prepare yourself mentally to understand things from the team member's perspective and be ready to take action. When a team member makes a good point, commit to addressing it. Follow up to let them know what you've done. This shows you take their input seriously and value their perspective. Plus, you're likely solving a problem that's been holding the team back. Also, separate the success of the project from how it felt to work on that project. It's important to find out how your team members are feeling. Once, after completing a complex project, I asked my team for some feedback. I was surprised to learn that even though the project had gone well, a team member felt like they weren't trusted to do the job and wanted to work more independently in future. I realized I had made an assumption about their experience and I wasn't letting their expertise shine. Before the next project began, I discussed the project with each team member to better understand the level of support they would need and how they prefer to work. Always thank your team for their honesty. It goes a long way in building trust and encouraging the kind of open communication that will make you a better manager. When you regularly ask for input, ask thoughtful questions, and show you're eager to adapt, you create an atmosphere of trust and ongoing improvement. Remember, the best leaders are always learning, and your team's perspectives are priceless for your growth.